Great morning, students. Here I am Pooja, your maths educator, and today I explain you the topic fraction. So first of all, we learn that what is a fraction. Here we see that fraction is a part of whole. Whole means you have a complete thing, and when you divide this complete thing into parts, then these parts are called the fraction, such as 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 7 by 5, etc. Now we learn types of fraction. Here we have some types of fraction. First is like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and equivalent fraction. Now we start in detail about these types of fraction. So let us restart the first type of fraction, like fraction. In this fraction, we have the same denominators are called like fraction, such as 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5. Now in figure, you see that you have to given a square and we divide this square into 4 equal parts and one part is seated. So your fraction becomes 1 by 4. Now in the second figure, it is again divided into 4 equal parts and here we have 2 parts are seated. So the fraction becomes 2 by 4. And now in the third figure, 3 parts are shaded and the fraction becomes 3 by 4. Now in all these fractions, you see that 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. All the fractions are having the same denominator 4. It means they are called like fraction. Now the second fraction is unlike फ्रैक्शन. ये बिल्कुल लाइक फ्रैक्शंस का अपोजिट पार्ट है. फ्रैक्शन विद डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स. उसमें लाइक फ्रैक्शन में आपका सेम डिनोमिनेटर था, लेकिन अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन में आपका डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स है. आर कॉल्ड अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन, सच एज 4 by 3, 5 by 4, 6 by 5, etc. In the figure, you have to given a circle and we divide the circle into 2 equal parts and your one part is shaded. So the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Now in the second figure, your circle is divided into 3 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So the fraction becomes 2 by 3. Because our total parts are 3, so we write is as a 2 by 3. Now in the third figure, we divide the figure into 4 equal parts. So our total parts becomes 4 and we write the total parts at the place of denominator. 3 parts are shaded and shaded parts we write at the place of numerator. So our fraction becomes 3 by 4. Now in all these fractions, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. All these are having the different denominator, so they are called unlike fractions. Now the third fraction is unit fraction, and in unit fractions all the numerators are having 1 as a place of numerator, such as 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 3. Now in the picture, you see that first you have to given a square and we divide the square into 4 equal parts. One part is shaded, so we write the fraction 1 by 4. Now in the second figure, you have to given a circle and we divide the circle into 8 equal parts. One part is shaded, so the fraction becomes 1 by 8. And now in the third figure, you have to given a rectangle and we divide the rectangle into 3 equal parts. One part is shaded, so the fractions becomes 1 by 3. Now here we see that 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 3. In all these fractions, numerator is 1. It means that these are the examples of unit fraction. Now our next fraction is proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction, such as 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, etc. Now you have to given 1 by 4. 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now here you see that your numerator is less than denominator. So it means that it is the proper fraction. Now the next fraction is improper fraction. Fractions whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction, such as 5 by 4, 5 by 3, 7 by 4, etc. Now in the figure you have to given a complete whole circle, and the next circle is divided into 6 equal parts and one part is shaded. So your fraction becomes 1 combined 1 by 6, and when we convert into improper fraction, then it becomes 7 by 6. Now the next fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, such as 3 combined by 4 by 5, 4 combined by 3 by 7, etc. Now in picture you have to given a improper fraction 7 by 3. 7 by 3 को आप किस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे मिक्स में? 2 combined 1 by 3. Now here 2 is the whole number. So in picture we see that 2 pictures are completely shaded and the third picture is shaded, one part shaded है और total part 3 है. तो 2 complete part हो गए और 1 by 3 is the proper fraction. Now our mixed fraction becomes combination of a whole number and proper fraction. 2 are whole numbers and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. Now after combining it becomes a mixed fraction. Now the next fraction is equivalent fraction. An equivalent fraction of a given fraction can be obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Non-zero number means कि ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है जो जीरो ना होकर कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, यानी कि जीरो को छोड़कर आप किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपके इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस आ जाएंगे. सच एज 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the standard fraction. Then 2 by 4. It means that 1 and 2 both are multiplied by 2. Now the next fraction is 3 by 6. Now we see that 1 by 2 is a multiplied by 3. So then we becomes 3 by 6. And now the last figure is 4 by 8. In this we have to multiply or divide 1 by 2 by 4. And now our fraction becomes 4 by 8. Now 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 all are the examples of a equivalent fraction. Now thank you and have a nice day.